Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, this one is going to be a paid watch face and it's definitely worth the price. It's called Simple Gear SG12. Now, I'm loving the look and the layout of this watch face. Even in the AOD mode, it's going to have the same design, same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, I love the blending of analog and digital. It looks real nice. The index of the analog really brings out this digital watch face. And you're going to get a nice smooth second hand that's cruising smoothly around the bezel of the watch. If you look to the left, and if you come down, you'll see a moon phase with an AM stamp. You're going to get your nice big bold digital time. I'm loving the font on this one, and right up under it, you will get the days of the week, and it's going to be highlighted to let you know exactly what day of the week it is. Now, you come down a little bit more. Here's where I like the design and the layout of the information for your step status info. First, you're going to get your steps. You're going to get your heart rate to the left. To the right, you're going to get distance, miles walked or ran. Also, you're going to get your calories burned, and depending on what you set for your goal, you're going to get the percentage of how much you have completed, and you get your date down at the bottom. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if you tap in certain places, you can extract the information you're seeking, like your step status info. Over here, you're going to be able to get your heart rate information up at the top. If you tap on the time, you'll be able to set an alarm, pull up your calendar when you set on the date. So this watch face is full of shortcuts to make your watch just that much more convenient, and you can customize the color theme. You got so many to choose from. Just double tap and you can change it to whatever color you want. It cycles through quite a bit. I'm not going to be able to go through all of them, but download this watch face and check it out for yourself. It is definitely worth the price. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.